Mukoro ogwo kwasa abatura ebyapa by'amataka omw'ishengyero Honorable Nora Bigira Nyenduha, omw'ishengyero-kazi wa Buriisa owajwekera Minisita w'ebyamataka Honorable Judith Nabakoba yasiima enkwatanisa nungi eri hagati ya President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni hamwe n'Abanyarwampara nangwa otiireho n'abebembezi omu Rwampara kuba orutindo rurungi aha kwisa enshonga z'abantu baabo.
Engaro z'amaanyi munonga nitushima His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. Mbwenu bantu mwebale rukundo, mwebale okuronda NRM with 94%. Mwebale munonga. This government is a government that has been down to earth and which recognizes and knows the concerns of its people. Of all the districts in this country, where you are,
Honorable Bigira nagira ngu waabire mukama w'eitaka Prince John Patrick Barije agashashura gavumenti n'ahabw'ekyo bwa hati itaka n'ery'abatuura.
Ukandaje Rwampara district, where the government compensated the previous landowner Mr. John Patrick Barije and processed freehold titles in your names. As the minister responsible for lands, I am pleased to report that the lawful and bona fide occupants on this land have now become current registered proprietors ninga landlords.
Obu yayonjera yahiga baheebwa ebyapa okubikozesa kuleetaho entunguuka.
Kandi under pillar 1 of PDM, which is about production, storage, value addition and marketing, landowners are expected to optimally use their land for production since it is now free of disputes to undertake commercial agriculture that will get you out of poverty.
Nakamya Harriet or RDC wa Rwampara yayihanangiriza abatunga ebyapa okwetantara ebyapa ebyo okuba oburugo bw'emihondano omu maka.
Ngwendo bingo mukazi wawe orokwa watunga ekyapa ssebo. Jemuli tukozesa byapa ebyo tulikozesa itaka tulitungura bakagitu. Mutakozesa byapa kubitwara mukafuna ya mawe mbamwafa.
Abamu abanyishengyero ba Rwampara basima gavumenti abokuhwera abantu bakatunga ebyapa ebirikwereka ngu biine amataka.
Ebiri omu block 9 hati twagaba ebindi byapa 2,500 plus ebiri omu block 15. Kandi ebi tukabishabira minisita yajya tukurijjo kunaareba aha na nideriho mwaza kubifuna. Egi process ebonire munonga akuba abantu babire bino kwerarikirira
okwa hati government ya Republic of Uganda and yebembeiro Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ebasize kwereza abantu amataka gabo ngo babase nabo kwetaba omukukurakurana okwa bagenzi babo.
Bamwe abatunga ebyapa basima gavumenti ya President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni habw'okubarongora nibwo kuraganisa ko bari kuzaguma bakuuma ebyapa ebi kandi bakareetaho n'entunguka omu kyanga kyabo.
Aha myaka mito n'ombwiro obukureba ngu nanye nagira ekyapa naaba omushaija orabe nayemerera nk'egambirira nk'omuntu
nyeza kukoramo ebintu byange by'entunguka ndi sefu ndikumanya ngu haro omuntu okunkwata amukona.
Ekyapa ky'itaka n'omuringo mukuru okuhamya omuntu kwayina itaka kwonka abantu bingi tibarikubaasa kubikoresa ahabw'okuba nikitwara sente nyingi. Amakuru aga gashakwa Ian Akankwasa omuri Rwampara.